When it comes to choosing the best operating system for programming, it really depends on what kind of work you're doing and your personal preferences. Linux is a favorite among developers who work on web development, servers, DevOps, or open source projects. It's free, fast, and gives you complete control over your environment. Since most servers run on Linux, it's perfect for backend and cloud work. It also supports most programming languages and tools natively, like Python, Node, JS, Git, and Docker. The downside is that it can be tricky for beginners to set up or troubleshoot, and it's not ideal for gaming or commercial design software. macOS, on the other hand, provides a clean and stable Unix-based environment similar to Linux, but with a more polished interface. It is especially good for mobile development since you can only build iOS or macOS apps on Apple hardware. It's also a great choice for web developers and designers who value performance and smooth integration. However, the biggest drawback is the cost of Apple devices and the lack of flexibility compared to Linux. Windows is the most common operating system and offers the broadest compatibility. It's excellent for beginners, enterprise developers, or anyone working with Microsoft technologies like C# and .NET. Game developers often prefer Windows because of its compatibility with game engines like Unity and Unreal. Plus, with the Windows subsystem for Linux, you can now run Linux commands and tools directly on Windows, which makes it much more versatile. Still, Windows has more background processes and slightly less efficient performance compared to Linux. In short, Linux is best if you want power and control. macOS is ideal for Apple app development and a refined Unix experience. And Windows is perfect for general-purpose programming and game development. If you're just starting out, Windows or Ubuntu Linux are both excellent choices. Depending on whether you prefer simplicity or flexibility,